I'm just going to take you along on a exploration demo, if you want to call it that way, of the Venuma.com web hosting platform. What makes Venuma unique is that it encourages its users to use JavaScript, CSS, HTML directly. There is no, there are no templates. There's nothing of that sort. The user interface is a folder, this folder here, that lives on the user's desktop, and that folder, for all practical purposes, is the website. Now, if somebody doesn't want it to be live immediately, they can obviously work in a different folder and then just copy it into the live folder. But in the demo here, I'm going to just be completely live. So, for example, I can take a bunch of pictures, put them into the folder. I'm going to delete the index file here, and then go to the web page and refresh it. So this is my personal account, and yes, all users will be VIPs, not just me. And as you can see here, so Adam, Alice, Antonio, these are the files that I just put over here. Let's make this very clear. Let's take column, put them over here, refresh, and here's column. Now, if you want to have HTML in this web page, then we need to write it. So we can use any kind of HTML editor and directly put files into this folder, which is the website. It is the live website. We can use Venuma, which is our AI that helps you do all of these things. And in the future, obviously, you'll just be talking to Venuma. For right now, I'm typing to it. So I can say to Venuma, I can ask the questions, explain HTML, and it'll help me understand what HTML is. I can also have it do things for me. So here it says, okay, HTML purpose, HTML defines the structure and content of web pages. It tells web browsers how to display text and other images. It's like having a web expert at hand that helps me create web pages from scratch myself. It can do the heavy lifting. It can create a landing page for a programmer, be creative, put HTML only, refrain from commenting. And since we are feeling lucky, we will put this directly into index.html. It takes a moment, depending on the complexity of the ask. And not bad. So now that you have an index.html file, you can see it over here, you can modify it. You can use text edit, you can use, for those who remember, you can use BB edit. Personally, I prefer VI, so I'm just going to use VI to look at this file. So if you want to change the background color, obviously we do it right here. If you want to change the name, John, let's make that Dirk. And now it's Dirk's webpage. We can ask Venuma about its design decisions, Venuma. And we can give it the file so that it knows what we're talking about. Explain your design choices. Specifically, the colors you used. It says, certainly the design choices in this HTML file, particularly the color scheme, are intentional and serve specific purposes. Dark theme. The overall design uses a dark theme, which is popular among developers and programmers. main background color, and here's the color code, is a very dark gray, almost black. This color choice reduces eye strain during long coding sessions and gives the page a modern, sleek look. Text color, main text color is a light gray. This provides good contrast. Code block and project card background, etc., etc., etc. So you can ask it.
It's 14:15.
Thank you. You can ask it, it'll explain things to you. And you can also have it change things. You can tell Venuma, okay, Venuma, look at the index.html file. Let's add more colors to it, whatever. You can do it yourself, you can have Venuma do it, or you can do it yourself with Venuma's help. Either way, you will get a website that is you, that can express who you are to the people who are looking at you.